Welcome to Chelsea in Bloom for 2025. This year's theme is flowers and fashion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat this like the Met Gala and we're going to look for the best displays. What am I going to be looking for? I'm going to be looking for, is it on theme? Has it ticked off the theme? Is it creative? I'm going to be looking for, is it an external display? Things inside the windows don't have the same impact. I'm looking for Instagrammable. I'm looking for colour. I don't want beige. I don't want brown. I don't want green. I want vibrant, bursting colour. And that is my scoring board today. So for Duke of York Square, this incredible handbag design is the key piece here, and it could not be more on brand, could it? It's absolutely perfect. It's this lovely kind of wicker basket, perfect for summer. It's got flowers sprouting out of it, and it's gorgeous for photos. Elsewhere in Duke of York Square, you've got the traditional tunnel that they always decorate, and also this beautiful rose-covered shoe for Devil Wears Prada just next to the Trini store. So the very famous Kings Road has got a punk rocker halfway up it. It's very, very vibrant. The colours are so insane. It's got amazing tropical colours in the hair. So it's perfect for photos. You're going to absolutely love it. It really fits in with the flowers and fashion. The punk rock thing is really strong for this area. You've had a lot of rock and roll history, so it's a big tick from me. There's another couple of my favourites up here as well. We've got a ballerina outside one of the shops. So that kind of like fashion, ballet, I love that. It's really on brand for me. And also we've got an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. And I actually chatted to one of the people yesterday who were putting this together.
Hi, I'm Cici Freeman. I'm marketing director from Granado. We're from Brazil. So for Chelsea in Bloom this year, we chose to honor the bikini and the yellow polka dot bikini. We have a new launch, Citrus Brasilis, which is in the window with our iconic fragrance Carioca, which is the person who is from Rio.
Kings Road probably has the most highest concentration of displays in the whole of Chelsea in Bloom, so it's perfect to wander up and down this street. Trini London's bright yellow storefront has a floral scissors and thread, and another favourite is MZ Skin with this floral dress which is just on a corner. This one was still under construction when I visited, but the one at Collinson looks like it's going to be amazing once it's finished. Welcome to Pavilion Road and the surrounding streets. I can never say this street name, but I'm going to have a go. It's Cadogen. And this is one of the most amazing hotels with the most amazing story. Also on Pavilion Road, you've got the most incredible lipstick, which is giving beauty vibes as well as fashion vibes. And I really love it. I met the guy yesterday who put it up. Let me tell you more about it.
So my name is Henk Roling and I'm working for Orphelove. And we're doing a massive lipstick for Chelsea in Bloom. The theme this year, flowers in fashion. So we thought, let's do not a dress, but do something else. So we went for makeup and then we're adorning it with beautiful carnations. And we have some dark roses and it's swerving all around to make a nice meadow. And everything is combined with this gold foil, which is sort of like the tissue paper that you get sort of like in a fancy shop. So it looks really pretty.
Also on that street, you've got that kind of Mary Quant vibes coming from David Mellor. It's all yellow and bright daisies. On that little street, you've also got Moyses and lots of other little cute shops that have got beautiful displays. But my top ones is this one and the lipstick and the Mary Quant style one with the daisies. Here I am with my friend Bettina. We've been doing this together today and we are in Sloane Square right now. We're right in the middle and it's where there's a big display for Sloane ponies, and there's a lot of ponies and some big boots. What do we think of this one, Bettina?
It's big, very big, yeah, very bold. Not so colourful, but huge display.
Yes, definitely fitting the theme, which is really good. And actually, there's quite a few that haven't really gone too hard on the theme. There's a lot of more minimal displays and a lot of different colours, isn't there? And we did spot one of our favourites, didn't we, Bettina, which is a blue one.
Oh yes, Rag and Bone have a beautiful blue display all around the door. It's really beautiful.
And we also went to the Sloane Square Hotel. Now, it was so hot, but they've got like suits outside, like outfits, and they're all made of florals. So they've really like taken on the theme as well, and they're quite nice and bright. We've also seen Smythson, which was lots of archways, wasn't it? Like a little garden.
Oh yeah, it was like, yeah, little like areas with like a little like kind of picnic area and like little like, you know, it was quite long. Smythson
was quite long. And also another one of our favourites every year is Hackett. Now they have got this huge tie that goes out of the window and onto the road. So, you know, one of my things about wanting it to be, you know, an outdoor thing, that's like indoor to outdoor. So tick, tick, tick. And obviously on brand as well. Cartier are having a little makeover this year, so they haven't got anything up, which is a shame. I really missed that. And the other thing about Hackett, actually, let's loop back, was that they had a sign saying to go on the grass. On the grass.
Yes, yeah, you could really get involved with the display at Hackett, which was really great.
Yes, I think that's one of our, like, if you were designing one and you needed our help, anything where you can interact with the display with and have multiple points where you can interact with it. So there's a few different people can get involved, which is kind of like the one on Sloane Square here. You can all get into it. Everyone can get to a pony. There's multiple ponies. And there's also a big, like, glossy Sloane sign as well. So it's actually quite zhuzhy. What I like about this area right now is that there's still all of the Union Jacks up. So it's bright, it's colourful, the whole area. And when it's sunny, which it is now, it just takes on a different world, doesn't it? Our next stop, going to go up to Cadogen House. Had to think about how to say that because that looks like a really big display. And then we're off to see Belgravia in bloom. I forgot one, so we're back. There's an Elton John inspired pair of glasses that when I first saw them, I thought, oh, they're a bit, you know, bit on the beige side, but they've got this metallic thing. And actually, when you stand in front of them, they take on a life of their own. They're really cool. I hope you go and stop by that one. I'm in the bush. Welcome to Belgravia in bloom for 2025. This year, the theme is seasons. So actually, you'll see right here at the Harry, they've gone for different seasons. You've got some autumnal shades on here and some spring flowers here. So it all goes beautifully. This is a great little hotel if you're in the area. They have a little restaurant, a cute bar. And a million years ago, when I used to work near here, I used to come to here a lot. We once shot Lisa Snowdon for a brand I was working with here. And it's always been a big favorite of mine. We've just headed to one of my favorites, which is Neill Strain, and that has got loads of roses outside of it, which is perfectly on point for my anthropology dress, by the way. Pink roses, a little bit of green but not too much, and a really big display all around the shop. And I just thought it was breathtaking. I'm guessing it's summer season because roses obviously with the summer, and the roses are all blooming now, so it's perfectly in time for the season. But let's go to Elizabeth Street now.
Hi, so we are on Elizabeth Street now and we are at Cleo. Been very excited to come here. I've looked at the menu a lot. I am having a burger and I'm very excited to eat it. Elizabeth Street is key for Belgravia in bloom. The theme is seasons and they've got a really beautiful display out here which shows all the seasons. So I've been wanting to come here for a while because we walked past Cleo a few months ago actually, and just how it was just so beautiful, looked stunning outside. I've always wanted to come here and have a little meal outside, al fresco in the sunshine, and there we are.
Belgravia is a little bit quieter than Chelsea, so it makes for a more relaxed walk. Every corner has something a little special, so take your time and explore the area. We're talking cute shops, boutique hotels, cafes, florists, and the cutest Eccleston yards. We've come to the end of our Belgravia in bloom walk now, and I'm going to wrap up here. So we're finishing on Elizabeth Street, and we're going to hop on the tube of Victoria. Then we came into Sloane Square, we're going out of Victoria, and it's been a lovely little walk. We actually did stop off for lunch and we stopped off for a little drink along the way, and we also had a cheeky croissant this morning, which I didn't mention before, at Vardo. So there's plenty of places to stop off, have your drinks, have your snacks, and carry on. We've ended up on a beautifully sunny day, but make sure you wear those flats because we're wearing heels and we wish we hadn't. So this final stretch has been all about the seasons, and I'm pretty sure that all of them have referenced seasons in some way. Most of them have gone with the different seasons for different colours. For example, here at TomTom, they've got different little bugs and creatures to reflect that. So you've got owls, you've got pumpkins, you've got butterflies, and it's really bright and colourful, which, as you know, I love. There's also Peggy Porschen with a Midsummer Night's Dream theme, which is all in pink, as it always is. Lessenters have also gone for like the season theme. They've got little different bits of the seasons for each thing, and it's like a teacup and a teapot, so it's very cute. And finally, there's some butterflies on the corner, which I really adored, and they're all in different colours to reflect those seasons. I hope you've enjoyed my little tour today. I hope you like, subscribe, and do leave me a comment on which ones you think would have won the Met Gala and the Season Gala. I hope you've enjoyed it, and take care.